Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone going? Today my food for the mukbang is seafood boil, guys. Bye. Woohoo! It's delicious. I haven't eaten it yet, but you know seafood is always... I know some people don't like seafood, but guys, for people that do love seafood, it's delicious. Who made this? It's Origin Blends, guys. They are on Instagram. I haven't checked if they're on Facebook, but I found out about Origin Blends from a Samoan girl and her husband's channel. Well, it's her channel. It's Danielle. It's simply Danielle with an X on the end, because there's another It's Simply Danielle, but it's not her. The one with the X on the end, that's her, guys. She does a lot of different kind of stuff. One of them being mukbang. That's how I found out that she had seafood boil, and I thought, yes, I must check this place out. Anyway, it comes with their own sauce, guys. Origin Blend, guys. They're out in Cricket Sounds, Pendle Hill. They're in Pendle Hill, guys. Anyway, so I got my fatties. Faye. Hang on, wait. Yeah, I'm trying to do my swear words. It's little fatty, guys. Little fatty. Yeah. And this is the place I got it from, guys. This place here. And they're Blackett. Next door to the petrol station, there's that Blackett. Not inside the petrol station. It's right beside it. If you're facing the petrol station, it's on the left, and the little shop's right there on the left. Anyway, guess what? I came with the big guns. Te o tai vai malengi. Got in it. My lingo. So, anyway, I got it from where I got the whai from. So I bought two, right way. Greedy. Who said that? Yeah, right. Oh, mate, so mate, say, whakolo kala. Ngā mai. Because, you know, my hand might be busy, you know, so I can reach this side, reach that side. Yeah. So, I tipped a little bit of this on my finger, right? So I went, and I went, okay, not feeling the flavour, but then I was walking, I said to my son, oh yeah, it has a, you know, the flavour comes after. So guys, don't straight away judge like I did. Aye, stop it. Oi. See, that's what I've done. Anyway, guys, I've said my prayers. Now it's time to eat. You're going to be hearing bzz, bzz, bzz. Yeah, one of my neighbours is probably doing something. Because, guys, it's a Saturday today. What do you expect? Everyone's trying to do all their stuff. And, yeah, so I wash my hands because I knew I'm going to get into this. I've got to sort out if I didn't mukbang. So, in here it has eggs, little sausages, little sausages, it has these, yep, it has antennas, hello, and I bet in this meat, sweet, and look at this, guys, woohoo, look at that. Wow. Meow. I can't wait to dig into this. Guys. And look how massive the prawn. Ouch. Oh, and it even came with a claw. Fine. Look how big that is. Oh, man. That's awesome. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I'll show you. Guys, I had a big prawn. See, this is love. So, I'm going to eat. And I love, and I Hey, when I saw Danielle peel this, it came right off. This one. You know what? I'm a lefty. I think I better swap. Oh, this sauce has a kick. Hey, got a kick with stiletto shoes on, with high heels on. And you know when you get kicked with high heels, or the high heel throwing at you. Anyway, guys. I'm so unprofessional. When I saw Danielle do this, it was so easy. Anyway, I've got a soto yet. This is your guys. Nice. This is so nice. I want to get to these prawns, guys. Yep, loving it already. Loving it already. Yeah, the sauce is quite nice. It's like it's got a oomph of a kick. An oomph of a kick even. Ooh. Guys, I brought it home and I stuck it back in the oven. And just did you see that? My prawn went for a dive and never came back out. So rude, where are you? So like you eat it? So eat. Fuck makanga here or mere for ya. That's what you get. Yeah, I put it back in the oven. But nice massive big prawns, man. Look at my hands grubby already. Anyway guys, I hope you guys got something to eat. Well, I'm putting it right in front of him. Oh, it's loud. Oh, it's got a kick. Nice kick too. Excuse the messy hands, guys. Yeah, have a bite of the Faye. This is green bananas with coconut cream, guys. This is why before you eat, you must clean your hands. But because I bought the watermelon drink, or Thai, we call it Vaimalengi. Tongans call it Otai. Anyway, guys. Oh, nah, man, this sauce is lovely. Look them up on Instagram. Okay, and then contact them, make a payment, and then arrange the pickup time and day. This is the only time I can get to eat it. This kind of stuff. I can get prawns and this sometimes if I'm lucky with the fish monger, but I haven't been going too much out shopping, guys. I just stay home with my mom. Today when we went to pick this up, it's in like a townhouse. Okay, so I went to the first house. Ding ding. Didn't smell nothing. I just smell fresh air. So I thought, this can't be the house. Okay. And then my husband's standing on the road, calling out, hurry up. So I go to the next house. Just when I'm just gonna ding ding, I smell. Oh, you know when you smell food, you just, Don't you love it when you go over someone's house, right? And you smell food, and you say, oh, what they eating? My kids, when they used to walk home from, you know what I nearly did? I nearly dipped this in my dirty water over there. When my kids used to come home from school, they'll walk in and go, Mom, we can smell your food from all the way up the road. What a fabricating kids. Well, that's what they say. Mom, what you cooking? We can smell your food from up the road. And how do they know it's mine? It could be someone else's. You know my best time to cook, guys, if it's like a hard cooking? Hard cooking would be oxtail and all that. My brother hates oxtail. I love oxtail. Anyway, so, yeah, I start my cooking around about 2, 3 o'clock. And then that's when my kids come home. And then that's why they said that they smelled the food from up the road. I got lemon in here, guys, but you know, sometimes
lemon doesn't always make the flavor.
Hello, why you hang out in there instead of coming out, eh? Go kiki out, oi, eh? Yeah. Se kui aku pesa I favor. Okay, never mind. I will cut it out. What about that riot still happening in America on behalf of George Floyd? Guys, I don't mind the protest, so they should, you know. And I really like that there's a lot of whole lot of white people, you know, standing together with the black community against this, because it's bad, man. You know, it's brutality, police brutality. But anyway, I don't mind the protest, but then when I see the you know, the looting and all that, the breaking and burning down the buildings. Oh. God. Guys, you know what? That's got a big kicker. That's got a big kick. I tasted it with, oh, and my stomach started rumbling. That's how big this kick is, like a bing. Anyway, I've got a sore here. Anyway, what was I saying? Before I was really interrupted by someone that talks a lot. Okay, just wants me to use the scissors. Yeah, why loot? Why burn down the houses? I mean the houses. I mean burning down people's businesses. Why? They didn't do anything. Oh, well, I guess if they have to make a noise, that's... And then you see them, everyone, with different colours. Not everyone did it though. Not everyone broke into there and stole. No. But I'm just saying, it wasn't just the dark coloured people that went in there and stole stuff. You can see it. I mean, they were just running outside with trolleys and stuff. No. Protest properly. But they loot. Why loot? I feel sorry for those people that own these businesses. But if this is gonna, you know, make a slight change at all. So they're saying that they're charging that guy that's knelt down on George Floyd's neck. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, oh gosh. Okay. Get to the big guns. Yeah, have a bite. Yeah, manga. Meaty. When the lady opened the door, she goes, "Oh, you have a channel." I thought, oh, okay. Far out. Okay, guys. It nearly came out. It nearly came out, but it, it decided to stay halfway. Okay. What if I kick it out that way? It would be better, eh? See? Oh, it doesn't come all the way, but this is alright because it's one bite. Nice, man. So thanks to the hands that made this. Hey, don't copyright me, okay? You guys gonna get it. Look at that, guys. I see them peel off this blubber stuff. They're so lucky in America. They can get all this lovely food, eh? Like the seafood. Guys, I have a birthday shout out for Levi Joseph from Campbelltown. Happy birthday for today, Levi. I hope you are having an awesome day because this is your birthday and you deserve many, many more happy birthdays to come. But especially today because this is the day. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. I told you I'll sing you guys a song. Oh. Because in the container that it comes, you can. This is the individual pack. This one. So it's like a pack just for yourself. Yeah, so it's good, this one. I know one of you guys asked, where's Tangaroa? Well, guys, he got sacked. Nah, guys. Hopefully when he's ready, he'll come in but it's, I don't know, it's a bit awkward with my honey bunny. Well, sometimes, you know, he likes to eat different foods than what I'm eating. And then it comes out in front of the camera that I'm not sharing with him. Oh, I love to have one. He always says, well, if we're going to film together, we save money. Okay, we save the money, don't. So I go, yeah, okay. So I order one thing to share. On the day, he changed his mind and he wants to eat his own food. So that's why it comes out that I'm hogging the food, but I am not hogging the food. I don't know if they're on Facebook. They probably are. Who isn't on Facebook these days, eh? This one's so stubborn. It's like, no, I don't want to come out of my skin. And I say, you're coming out whether you like it or not. I also want to shout out Daniel Tui Moala. I want to shout him out because just the egg. Some onion. This is lovely. This is lovely. I'm really enjoying this. You know? Cheers, guys. And it goes so well with this Faye Malengi too. Oh gosh, I feel so spoiled. Yeah, spoiled myself. See, this is all the food that God blesses us with. God is so loving. My sauces. You get different kinds of sausages, eh? I've never bought the right one. Well, not these kind of sausages anyway. My daughter buys the right one, but I can't. Oh. Growing up, my favourite sausage was Savoy in New Zealand. Savoy. These are big muscles. And I like it because it's orange. And orange is my favourite one because it's sweet. Bye. I like that mussel. Double check. Oh, these are massive, massive pie. Nice, nice. You know I haven't even done my thumbnail. Have I done my thumbnail? Yes? No? Okay. Right. My food's nearly all gone. Okay. Oh no, I did do a thumbnail. Oh, sorry, but excuse me. I have to cut this in half, guys, because there's no way I can handle that jandor. The paparazzis are looking for me. Shh, they're gonna go away. They always come like 3 times a week looking for me. The paparazzi, they're always looking for me, guys. Always looking for me. I can't hide. Oh, what a big mussel. This sauce is just right for this. So massive. Man. I thought I got a big mouth. I have to barely get that one. This is nice sausage. Oh yeah, Carl Anthony Tonia. I'll eventually get the hungry cooker out, okay? I know you mentioned to get it out. I'll eventually get it out. I had a hungry cooker that I got from New Zealand, and she went and shoved it in the shed. Oh, look at all this meat. She went and shoved it in the shed, and then it was locked. But we ended up losing the key, so it's been a year. It's been a year the hungry cooker's in there. Or more. A little bit left. Oh, I better use this lemon. The paparazzi has no idea I'm in the garden.